What's up, guys? Today we're making a guitar stand. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Today I'm going to be making a guitar stand for my good buddy Mike over at Plotsvoice. Now, he's been a good friend of mine ever since I started on YouTube here, and it's Christmas, it's the holiday season, so I figured what better thing to do than make him a gift. And he's a guitarist, he's a rocker, he's got a bunch of cool guitars, so I want to make him a nice, cool guitar stand in my own personal style, something unique that's only for him, and I hope you enjoy it, Mike. So for this project, I'm going to be using some of the leftover scrap wood from my Viking chair build. And if you want to go check that out, I'll link that in the description below and at the end of the video. And so what I'm going to do is and I'm going to burn the ever-loving crap out of them and then brush them off in a technique that we call here in the West, Shou. It's called in Japan, yakisugi. And I'm going to be doing two different styles. I'm going to take one to what's called gendai, which is that burned and brushed look. And then the second one, for the actual base, I'm going to be doing what's called suyaki, which is that alligator scaling. And then I'm actually going to take that a step further and do a technique that Jody from Inspired Woodwork has called Shou 2.0. And I'm going to take mica powder and inlay it into the grooves of that suyaki, into that alligator scaling, to give it a really cool effect and look. I'm going to lock that in, and I'm going to pour epoxy over it to make it a really nice solid base. And if you guys want to go check his video out, I'll also link that in the description and at the end of the video. So definitely go check him out. It's a really cool video and he provides a lot of information. So without further ado, let's go out to the shop, i.e. my patio, and let's get started. There you have it, guys. My guitar stand Shou 2.0. I love how this came out. I think it came out so great. I think Mike's gonna love it. Mike, I hope you love it. A couple things I did off camera that you probably didn't see. I painted the top of the screw heads black here, and I put these rubber feet onto them. You can probably see that. And that's just so that the wood doesn't get marred on the floor. It stays secure, it doesn't slide around. Because I know this is going to have a guitar on them and it's going to have a little bit of weight to it, but the bass is fairly hefty, so it shouldn't move around too much or at all, hopefully at all. And yeah, I love how this came out. If you want to go see a different kind of build, another kind of guitar stand, go check out my friend Decros. He does a guitar stand where he does 2 pieces of wood, kind of like pine like here. He makes an L shape and then he crosses them. So it's kind of a crossing stand. He mortises it out and joins them together that way. So it's all one solid piece. Really cool. And that's actually the video that inspired me to want to make this build for Mike, besides Mike being an awesome person. So yeah, definitely go check him out. I'll put his video at the end and in the description below, along with the other videos as well. And if you had been reading my descriptions from before, I think a couple videos ago, I mentioned that once I hit 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a video. Once I hit 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. And if you've made it to the end of this video, you're still watching, you get a chance to be a part of that and win the secret wood pirate cutlass that I made. Now you might be saying, Jacob, are you out of your mind? Why would you give something so important, so unique, so special away? And the fact of the matter is, those are all the reasons why I want to give it away, because I want this to be special. It means hitting this number means a lot to me, and I want this to mean a lot to somebody else. So to win this, leave a comment down below, and I'll say from the date that I upload this, this is the 3rd, so I'll give it about a week. So next Tuesday, so it'd be December the 10th, I'll randomly pick a winner, and then I'll send that winner this pirate cutlass. So hopefully it makes it in time for a nice Christmas gift. So what you do, leave a comment down below. Be any comment, could be good, could be bad, could be whatever. Hopefully it's good, but constructive criticism I always take. And then from that list, I'll randomly pick a name, and then I'll get in contact with you. You know, I'll give you my email address. Actually, I'll give it now. So the email address that I'm going to use is for my native son wood art one. That's it's going to be a Gmail. So actually, I'll wait until the giveaway. So just leave a comment down below. I'll randomly select one after 7 days. So next Tuesday, December the 10th, you have until then to be able to post a comment. And then from those who commented, I'll select one randomly, and then you win. I'll get in contact with you. We'll figure out the shipping, and I'll ship for free anywhere in the continental US, but international, you will have to pay for shipping, but this is pretty light, so it shouldn't be too expensive. And if it's really expensive shipping, I'll kind of help out as best I can. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is a really fun build. I really enjoyed making it. I need to put this down. I really enjoyed making it. Mike Allen, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you guys enjoyed the music at the end of this, I put in, it's an original piece. He's never heard before. He made it exclusively for me. So I'm, again, very blessed, very thankful to have him as a friend. He makes some original pieces for me to use. It's called Circle of Sevenths. I was originally going to do this for a different project, but I thought it was pretty perfect to put together with this. It kind of just belonged. So I hope you guys enjoyed that music as well. It's really cool acoustic guitar piece. I love it. I think it has so much character, a lot of really great rhythm and feeling to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Like I said, if you're new here, leave a comment down below. Maybe like this video. And if you are interested, go check out one of my other videos. I try to put out as many projects as I can, as many interesting projects as I can. And, tell me what you want to see for, what you thought of this build, what you want to see of future builds. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and take care.